Industries face constant challenges: downtime, operational inefficiencies, quality control issues, and more. Introducing byteLAKE's Cognitive Services, customizable AI solutions for your industrial needs. byteLAKE's Cognitive Services use AI to turn data into information. Our data analytics enable predictive maintenance and optimize operations. Connect cognitive services to cameras to identify defects and automate quality inspection in manufacturing, or measure a water line in paper mills. Microphones can be used to monitor the quality of car engines through sound, preventing major issues. Integration with such powerful AI technology is easier than you think. A local PC connected to your data and installed cognitive services is all you need. Contact us to learn how byteLAKE's Cognitive Services can help you transform your data into information you need. Visit our website to learn more.